Hey, hi team. Hey, hi team. So we have started Spark interview question series. My name is Kashan, and I will be start the Spark interview series. Also, in interview series, we will cover all the interview questions what has been asked in the all the interview, either in FANG interview, either in the non-FANG interview. So I just prepare it, right? So be ready what kind of interview question I will asking to you, and it will be help you a lot in this part. So question number one. So I started one question, very important question. Let me tell you the discuss the difference between the collect list and collect set in PySpark. So what is the difference? I will tell you. So one of the important thing, PySpark SQL collect list and collect set are used to create an array, a column, or data frame by merging the rows. Typically after group by or window partition. I can explain this one how it help you, but it's basically create an array merging the rows. Let me create a one data frame. So first we need to understand data frame. So you can see I created one data frame. We don't need to create a spark session, but I created a spark session for the convenience, but we don't need to create a spark session to be honest, because database manage the spark session itself. But for the if you are not running in the database Spark, you are running locally, so you can use that. Then I created gems, multiple names with the Java, Python. Has one person has a expertise on a different language. The data set is itself is same. So I just create a data frame. This is an array. I just convert into the data frame. So we are using spark.createDataFrame data, but we need a schema. As we can see, we have a name and language is the schema. So df.printSchema. Now we have a name and schema. Now how to use the collect list. So basically, if you can see this one, I created this one group by. So here I've used the collect list. So we can see PySpark from pyspark.sql function import collect underscore list. So basically we use this from pyspark.sql.function import collect list, collect underscore list. So this is the problem statement. Now collect list dot group by name. It will be group by name aggregate collect list. So we can see the and the put the languages and we rename it using the alias. So df underscore collect list dot print schema. It is giving the name and collect list. Name is the string format and collect underscore list in the array format, right? So let's display it, this one. Yeah. So you can see James has expertise in this array format, Java, Python, and Scala. And we can see PHP, JavaScript, and C++. So this is the collect list answer. So what is the difference between the collect set? Let's try with the collect set. I given the example also collect set. Okay, the parameter language is to correct or wrong. We can take it up. We can do it. Again, we go the discussion. Now we can display. Yes. So one thing you'll observe that Scala, Java, and Python. James has expertise in three languages, and HTML, JavaScript, and Java C++. When you have seen that, collect list as a repeative value, but in collect set doesn't have a repeative value. So this is a basically difference between the collect list and collect set. We collect set doesn't have a repeative value. Basicals. I hope you are getting this point. Please let me know if you have any doubts. I think this is a very simple problem. Collect list and collect set. I will give you the question also. Difference between the collect list and collect set in PySpark. This is a very important question, I think. So there is nothing difference. They are not a repetitive value. So I hope this question is asking many times why it is. We are just convert the multiple value in an array. Then we are getting that difference basically. I hope you look correct. Thank you everyone. I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe this channel. Even I will suggest you, if you practice what I did, I am attaching this notebook with the in your I'm attaching this notebook with this channel. You can use this and practice it. If you prepare it, I think this platform enough to prepare the machine learning, data science, data analyst, data engineering, Azure Big Data Engineering, AWS Big Data Engineering, GCP Big Data Engineering. I think you will cover everything, each and everything. Thank you, everyone.